Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new here, welcome. Now today's video is actually a double sponsor video, and it is for the Phiakle UV nail lamp and also Nail Addict gel nails. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notification. Now let's get started. We are starting with this Phiakle UV LED nail lamp, professional nail dryer, X7 for gel polish. You guys, this UV nail lamp was sent to me, and I am actually unboxing it and testing it for you, and I will tell you I have used it and it actually works great. Now the package, it comes with the nail dryer and your cord is already pre-attached, and it also, the cord is a USB cord that plugs in, and you can just connect it to any of your wall socket plugs like for your phone or anything like that. But this UV gel nail light dryer actually has 3 speeds: 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 90 seconds. I'm going to let you see what it looks like when we turn it on, but I'm going to let you see what it actually looks inside of that nail drying station as well. Once again, it has 3 settings. If you use gel polish, you always have to have a UV light for it to dry correctly because of the makeup of gel nails. But this is what it looks like, and when you hit your button, those UV lights light up. The link is in the description. Make sure you check it out. And you guys, this portion of the video is sponsored by Nail Addict. My package came like this. I had to refilm because I actually deleted the clip, but I ordered that Less is More, and that is a gorgeous metallic pink. I also ordered the ice skating, and it's like a taupe-like gray. I also ordered the Ocean's Heart, and this is a beautiful metallic blue. All of these links will be down in my description. And I ordered the Silver Addict, and that is just a metallic silver. And I'm loving that Morning Sky, which is a gray and baby blue mix. So again, these are the 5 colors I ordered. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about Nail Addict here shortly. And once again, here are all of my colors. Now, Nail Addict is a vegan, nine-free, and cruelty-free gel polish. I also celebrate women not just by empowering them, but by offering more and better quality products each month. I'm also going to show you a color test. This is that Morning Sky. Now I'm going to test that Less is More with that pink, and I'm going to just show you how they look with these color swatches. And I actually just stuffed this on a piece of tablet paper. I normally have nail polish swatches where I can show you the colors, but here's that Less is More, and also that Ocean's Heart. And now here's that ice skating. And you guys, I am truly loving this Morning Sky, this baby blue with the gray. And our last color I'm showing you is that Silver Addict. Now this is what all of the colors looking like. Now I'm going to take my nails, and these are just the Kiss nails. They was just purchased from my local hair supply store. But we're going to just show you how I apply the nails, and we're going to get this nail addict gel polish video started. First thing first, you guys, after you fit your nails, I'm just applying the glue on them. And I always put my glue on my tips, you guys. They tend to me last longer. What you didn't see me do was actually buff my natural nail just a little bit, because that actually helps as well. Now please make sure you check out that Phiakle LED UV nail lamp light, and also make sure you check out Nail Addict to pick up you some wonderful supplies. All of that information is down in my description box. Now we're going to just apply that gel polish, and that is that silver, and I'm using that Silver Addict, and that less is more with that pink. And I'm just doing my first initial coat. I coat my nail, put my nails in the lamp and dry, then I add that next color and put them back in to dry, and I just repeat this process. I normally let each round of drying for me to be 90 seconds, you guys, and I normally don't have to add but actually 2 coats. I will tell you with this Nail Addict gel polish, that one coat, when you put it on right, is a very smooth and even coat, and it looks gorgeous. Gonna let you see me finish wrapping up, coloring my nails, and I've already put my top coat on them. This is the final look. Once again, you guys, please make sure you go check out Nail Addict. Their link is in there in my description, along with the color choices I chose on this one. Also check out Phiakle UV LED lamp. And if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive, so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive. Please don't forget to subscribe to Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen of Decor, and Glam Queen Unboxing.